You're about to embark on a journey to some of the most extreme planets ever discovered in the universe, worlds where the laws of nature seem pushed to their absolute limits. These are not gentle Earth like places. These are planets of fire, storms, crushing gravity, and unimaginable heat and cold. From worlds that glow like molten lava to planets wrapped in thick, mysterious atmospheres, each one reveals just how diverse and strange the universe truly is. As we explore these distant worlds, you'll begin to understand that our planet Earth is just one small example in a vast cosmic collection. Out there, conditions can be far more extreme than anything we've ever experienced. And yet, each of these planets holds clues about how planetary systems form, evolve, and survive in the harsh environment of space. Get ready because this journey will take you far beyond anything familiar. Our first stop is Kepler-1b, a scorching hot rocky world that orbits extremely close to its star. Surface temperatures here can reach up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than a blast furnace. At such extreme heat, the surface may be covered in oceans of molten rock. Imagine standing on a world where the ground itself glows red and the sky is filled with intense radiation from a nearby star. This is not just a hot planet, it's a hellish environment where survival is impossible by any known standard. Next, we visit HD 89733b, a planet famous for its stunning deep blue color. At first glance, it might remind you of Earth. But don't be fooled. This blue hue is not from oceans. It comes from silicate particles in the atmosphere, essentially tiny fragments of glass. Winds on this planet can reach thousands of kilometers per hour, carrying these glass particles across the sky. Imagine a world where it literally rains molten glass sideways, a beautiful but deadly environment. Bo-Aspitoy-b is a massive gas giant with a mass 1.5 times that of Jupiter. But what makes it truly extreme is its orbit. It circles its star in just 26 hours. That means a full year on this planet lasts barely more than a single Earth day. Because it orbits so close, the star's gravity is slowly pulling the planet apart. Its atmosphere is being stretched and stripped away, forming a glowing trail of gas behind it. Now we arrive at 55 Cancri, a super-Earth with a mass 8 times greater than our own planet. Its surface gravity is incredibly strong, meaning everything is pulled tightly toward the planet's surface. Temperatures here are so high that parts of the planet may be covered in molten lava. Some scientists even believe it could have a surface rich in carbon, possibly forming diamond-like structures under intense pressure. Kelt-9b is one of the most extreme planets ever discovered. This ultra-hot Jupiter has temperatures reaching an astonishing 300 degrees Celsius hotter than the surface of some stars. At these temperatures, molecules can't even survive. The atmosphere is so hot that atoms are ripped apart, creating a glowing ionized environment. The planet GJ214b is known as a mini-Neptune with a thick, mysterious atmosphere. Scientists are still unsure what lies beneath those clouds. It could be a water world, a gas-rich planet, or something entirely different. Its surface gravity remains uncertain, adding to the mystery of this strange and distant world. HAT-P7b is a gas giant with one of the most extreme atmospheres ever studied. Powerful winds sweep across the planet, redistributing heat and creating intense pressure differences. On this world, clouds may even be made of exotic materials, forming under conditions far beyond anything we experience on Earth. Kepler 452b is often called Earth's cousin. It orbits a star similar to our Sun and has a size close to Earth's. But don't let that comparison fool you. Its conditions may be very different. Its atmosphere could be thicker, and its surface environment may not be as friendly as we hope. So-3b is a massive planet with a mass 11 times greater than Jupiter. Its orbit is incredibly fast, completing a full revolution in just 3.2 days. This creates intense gravitational interactions, heating the planet's interior and driving extreme atmospheric activity. Mars-Point-b is another hot Jupiter with temperatures reaching 2000 degrees Celsius. It spins around its star in just 19 hours, making it one of the fastest orbiting planets ever discovered. The heat and radiation from its star create a glowing, turbulent atmosphere. Codot 7b is a rocky planet with a mass 5 times that of Earth. Its surface is so hot that it may have rivers of lava flowing across it. The extreme gravity and temperature make it one of the most hostile rocky worlds known. OGLE 2016 BLG 1190 LB is a cold and distant giant planet. Unlike the scorching worlds we've seen so far, this planet exists in a much colder environment far from its star. Its icy nature reminds us that extremes in the universe are not only about heat, but also about deep, freezing cold. K218b is a super Earth with a thick atmosphere that has captured the attention of scientists. It may contain water vapor, raising the possibility of clouds and weather systems. However, its exact surface conditions remain unknown, making it one of the most intriguing planets discovered so far. Eris 1142b is a dense, rocky planet with a mass 7 times that of Earth. Its gravity is incredibly strong, and its environment is likely very different from anything we know. Despite this, it remains a key target in the search for potentially habitable worlds. WASP-18b is an extremely hot gas giant with temperatures reaching to 900 degrees Celsius. It orbits its star in just 23 hours, making it another incredibly fast-moving world. The intense heat creates a glowing atmosphere filled with energy and motion. Kepler 2e2b is a super Earth with a thick atmosphere that could influence its surface conditions. While scientists are still studying it, its environment may allow for liquid water under the right conditions. It remains one of the most interesting candidates for further exploration. HAT P11b is a Neptune-sized planet with a highly eccentric orbit. This means its distance from its star changes dramatically, causing large swings in temperature. Such variations create a constantly changing environment. GJ347b is a hot Neptune with temperatures around 500 degrees Celsius. Its atmosphere is likely rich in hydrogen and helium, making it very different from Earth. Its rapid orbit adds to its extreme conditions. 51 Pegasi b is one of the first exoplanets ever discovered. This hot Jupiter has temperatures around 200 degrees Celsius and completes an orbit in just 4.2 days. It opened the door to discovering thousands of other worlds. HT 20945ab is a gas giant with a temperature of about 1000 degrees Celsius. Its atmosphere is being stripped away by its star, creating a glowing cloud of gas trailing behind it. Mars P2b appears again with its unique and extreme atmosphere. A strong greenhouse effect traps heat, pushing temperatures even higher and creating one of the most hostile environments known. Kelt 6p is a hot Jupiter with temperatures around 1800 degrees Celsius. Its fast orbit creates strong radiation exposure and dynamic atmospheric conditions. HAT P7b has a highly eccentric orbit, causing extreme temperature differences between its day and night sides. One side may be scorching hot, while the other remains much cooler, creating dramatic weather systems. And we return once again to Kepler 10b, a world so close to its star that its temperature may still be rising. This constant exposure to intense heat keeps it in a state of extreme conditions. Hafnium CNCTA, and the strangest part, these are just a small fraction of the extreme planets that exist in the universe. With every new discovery, we realize just how little we truly know. There are countless more worlds out there, stranger, hotter, colder, and more mysterious than anything we've seen so far. So if this journey through the most extreme planets sparked your curiosity, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us as we continue exploring the wonders of the universe.